Hi friend, today I am with the Samsung Galaxy M51. This is one of the most hyped smartphone right now in the market. The reasons are very simple. It comes with the 7000 mAh battery, and definitely we are going to do a separate battery test for the device. Starting with the benchmark score, if we go to the Geek benchmark score, here you can see it comes with the processor 730G Snapdragon 730G octa-core processor, and you can pause the video and check the Geek benchmark score. Now I will also show you the 3D benchmark score, and here you can pause the video and check the scores for that also. So this is what we are getting. If we talk about the specs, I have already told you about the battery. It also comes 25-watt charger in the box. It also has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display. The display is definitely gorgeous, and it is one of the best display that Samsung is making. This is the Super AMOLED Plus display, so this is not the Super AMOLED normal one which you used to get. And if we go to the game launcher, in that we are getting few settings for playing the game. This will actually these are the game booster settings. This will enhance your gaming experience. You can do the pop-up panel, shortcuts, floating icon, you can change them also. And in this also you can have the screen resolution 100%, 75%, 50%. There is also game performance which can be changed. It doesn't have any internal screen recording, and if you guys don't know, Android 11 has been pushed a day before yesterday, and it has a internal screen recording facility, so you will get that eventually on the smartphone. As you can see, the battery percentage is 80% when before we are starting the game, and the temperature for the device is 38 degrees Celsius on the top. In the middle part it is coming around 37 degrees Celsius. In the bottom it is less than 38 degrees Celsius. So 38 degrees Celsius is the maximum temperature. If you think like it comes with the 7000 mAh battery, it will be definitely a thick smartphone or a heavy smartphone, but it only has a thickness of 9.5 mm. If we talk about the weight, it weighs around 213 grams, which is definitely very less. If we used to remember that we got a 5000 mAh power bank and they were heavy. So somehow Samsung has managed to reduce the weight of the device. Also, if you talk about the game booster, here you can see few more things regarding the game booster. You can have the performance monitor, memory management also. If we go back right now, you can see the battery, how long it can last. It is showing that 10 hours and 30 minutes it can run the whole game, which is definitely insane. You can do the screen lock. You can also take the screenshots. Well, there is no screen recording option. There is one more setting here. I will show you. This setting is basically to install the game plugins. Now coming to the display, it has a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display. It is definitely gorgeous. The resolution is a Full HD Plus resolution. So, and if you can see the edges, they are very thin, and it is nearly complete bezel-less. And you can see the camera is also in the middle. Samsung is calling that as Infinity O display. This is what Samsung calling. If we go to the settings more, we can see few more things you can install. You have to install this separately, so it is up to you. I will not recommend you to do this if you don't want to, but these are the few settings. You can also have the shortcut of the apps while playing the game. So here you can see the shortcut apps which you want and which you don't want in the pop-up panel. So now coming to the game, definitely you guys know that the PUBG has been banned in India, so we will show only COD in this gaming video. If we talk about the graphics support is very high. If you go to the very high frame rate, will support up to very high. It doesn't go to the max frame rate. So I will show you that changing the to max frame rate later on while playing the game. And let's start going to the loadout first. And here in the loadout, I have already made a video on how to get all the platinum guns in SMGs. The link of the video will be given in the description section below. Now coming to one more thing, the device comes with the Dolby Atmos, but you can get only the experience if you use the earphones. So I will recommend you to use the earphones to get the best audio out of the Samsung Galaxy M51. So now let's not waste the time and start playing the COD on Samsung Galaxy M51 and see the performance of it.
Shock RC is coming. Losing Bravo. Counter. Taking the lead. Lost B. Friendly Shock RC has been destroyed. Capturing A. Capturing Bravo. Tied for the lead. Be advised. Hostile Predator is lost the lead. Be advised. Hostile Hunter Killer Drone inbound. Hostile Hunter Killer Drone inbound. Enemy Shock RC is coming. Hostile sentry gun for AO. Captured the lead. Captured Bravo. Be advised. Hostile Hunter Killer Drone inbound. UAV online. Be advised. Hostile care package inbound. Losing B. Counter UAV up. Flying. Lost Bravo. Losing killer drone deployed. Friendly Shock RC is ready. Ready to jam. UAV. Be advised. Hostile sentry. Capturing Bravo. Hostile sentry gun for AO. Friendly Shock RC is coming. Hostile Predator missile inbound. Friendly Shock RC has been destroyed. Friendly Hunter Killer drone deployed. Access 1 online. UAV online. Access 1 online inside. Hostile Hunter Killer drone inbound. Hostile care package inbound. Enemy Shock RC is coming. Friendly Shock RC is ready. Ready to jam. Capture. SAMs are ready for deployment. Sentry gun has been destroyed. Losing Bravo. Friendly Shock RC is coming. Friendly Shock RC has been destroyed. Counter UAV up. Blind. Losing Charlie. Pick it up, team. Enemy Shock RC is coming. Enemies access 1 Goliath destroyed. Lost B. Be advised. Hostile Predator missile inbound. Capturing B. Hostile control deployed. Losing C. Destroying your center. Capturing Bravo. Capturing Bravo. Capturing Alpha. Losing B. Counter UAV is up. Lost Alpha. Hunter Killer drone deployed. Captured Alpha. UAV online. Lost C. Captured D. Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up. Capture the objectives. UAV online. Targets in enemy taking Alpha. Capture Bravo. Capture Capture Counter UAV up. Blind. Captured B. Captured Charlie. Ready for jamming. UAV. SAM turret ready for deployment. UAV online. Counter UAV up. Tide full. Friendly Shock RC is coming. Friendly Shock RC has been destroyed. Lost the lead. Friendly Shock RC is ready. Capture B. It's too close. Fight hard. Losing B. Friendly Shock RC is coming. We've taken the lead. Lost B. Friendly Shock RC has been destroyed. Tide full lead. Capture the Bravo. Lost the lead. Capturing Alpha. UAV online. Losing Charlie. Lost C. Hostile predator missile inbound. Capture Enemy's tank is coming.
So the best thing that Samsung has done is that giving you a gaming chipset, so you will definitely feel no lag or frame drop while playing the game, even the hardcore games. If we talk about the price, the 6GB 128GB will be priced for 24,999, which is around 25,000, and the 27,000 for 8GB 128GB. It will go live on Amazon, and there will be some cashback with SDFC also. If we talk about the temperature rise maximum, it goes around less than 44 degrees Celsius. When we started, the maximum temperature was around 38 or 39 degrees Celsius. So here you can see that there is not much temperature rise. We played around 15 minutes something, and when we checked, the battery percentage at that time was 80%. And after playing for some time, here you will see the battery percentage is around 79%. It is marginal drop because you get a very big battery, which is definitely an advantage for gamer or multimedia consumption user. So this is all about the gaming video of Samsung Galaxy N51. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.